This is Circuit de Champions though, is it?
Right, go.
Hey, you've let the toys out here, haven't you?
Yeah.
It is fully insured for new gearbox, isn't it? Oh, aye, ping, 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 yeah. You must be able to override it. It's from the French that's undertaken. It's
You know what would be really funny? Get around the back of the track, just a rear tractor.
that's it. Those two wagons in the vehicle, they were around here, but they're on a different road.
Yeah, they seem a bit more fun.
Yeah. Can you see them?
Yeah.
2 o'clock?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, fucking cyclist.
Oh, hey, look at these. Where they will be going off. I was going to say that's it. I think anybody that's been a few go off at this corner.
Tank back again. Got overtake.
You got around it. Lewis Middleton overtakes.
Overtakes the delivery van.
Now for the flying lap.
They all look great. That's good. Took me by the music as a ping, ping, ping. spectators that all come to this area and they're watching all the way around. There's nobody control.
Well,